Many young people are now returning to Eze-Ana, but most are learning through social media. My question now is, can true spirituality be learned online, or does it require personal initiation and mentorship?
Yeah, thank you for that good question. The truth of the matter, Bona, social media is not a good platform where you will learn everything, because most of the teachings you are seeing on social media are targeted on a kind of to draw attention of maybe valuable ones, to draw attention on some certain things, and that is why some of people normally do or make some certain things that are not factual. Yes, because the essence is to draw you, it's not actually the fact. So, but I would advise you, or if you come to them, first of all, discover your true self. Kubioku your chigi na money na hassle. Boko chinka landage. Boko your ancestors. How guide you to the right path? How lead you to the right spiritualist for mentorship? Okay, when you only be your spiritual mentor. Okay, when you only be your spiritual father or your spiritual mommy. Let me tell you one thing. When I started my journey into spiritual life, even when I was here in Catholic, I used to have a spiritual father. I used to have mentor. Or don't you know that now, even in the Catholic Church, and anywhere father Nabo, your spiritual director. It's on that time, I wouldn't want to anyone. You mean Robona, no one did to the Canan Coke Queggy. You can always ask him at any given time or pay attention. Etu on the medicine physicians, family doctors. Now, anything that happened to you, you phone or ring, well, doctor, please, and when my health challenge, my neck was in K game away. The two are costing the need in game where onion don't keep morgue. Onega bonyo buna, you have a new time on a body or sagi. The two are knock it out. I don't know social media, my numbers are there. Manopro Yobona Junomu Yobona, come mad very last. As I hear Obona at every given time. My name will enable my children all over the world. Whenever I see their message, I will create time and pay more attention, because those people one day regard them as their father in the Lord, if I will use the word. So because of that, those people will special attention. You got that? Yes. So you two are called in here. So obro nature you to na more nature look akowala get here in si alwo na more. Try ya to meto phone you spiritually show begin a battle. Cobro ya mentor. So that organa watch your back in the temple. I am with them 4 groups. You put a mono to obona. Nam gane motozi watch their back. What I go was way. And what or to them money medicating the nesum. Get agwagi or I get a hand close. Now on many occasions there's some in the dream. So we will tell you that no well or to have to go in challenging times. But on a confusion time, Namlo or you other half from Muma. Ebia le Jerahaka, Napta on or why he had a me, no, do the believe in me on them. Each one dog now my call fans, higher agwagi multiple times. Now, I not gonna challenging times and long, yeah, school her. So here comes to their name to go spiritual bonding. Don't want to my spiritual children all over the world. They are afraid to chat me, they are afraid to support what we are doing. They believed in me. And for the fact that they believed in me, whenever they have challenges, I do come. It's because of spiritual bonding or pro magic. But what I'm telling you is that okay, when you do you guys say, be my spiritual mentor, be my spiritual guide and support. The person will, if the person accepts, then the name he was in him as one guide again. Okay, make it henny woga and yogi make a quarter henny, and he went carbon against over the gates over the